Umuthi a Kenya aria mari na mashira igoti-ini na aria mari na matanya ma kwambika mashira makurorereirie maitho magoti-ini ma guku bururi-ini mari na mwihoko wa guthii nambere na mashira mao thutha wa jaji munene David Maraga kuga umuthi niguo magoti magirirwo ni gucokereria igoti-ini ria Milimani guku mucii wa Nairobi. A Kenya no mathiete na mbere na kwiyumiria kwandikithia kana gwitika thitango indi magoti matiganite thiini wa igoti riri mauma mahinge mashira magithie na mbere nja wa igoti ta uria ukoretwo ri mutugo kuma king'uki gia COVID-19 gukinya guku bururi-ini. Kaunti-ini ya Mombasa aikari ni matetete ikinya ria magoti kwaga gucokereria muthenya wa umuthi indi ta mutugo mashira maguthiaga na mbere nja wa igoti. Kwaga gucokereria kwa magoti guku bururi-ini kwirikanite ni undu wa kwaga gukorwo mahingitie mawatho na mitaratara iria gathikitwo ni Ministry of Gima wa Mwiri niguo kuhotomia utheremia wa murimu wa COVID-19. Ikinya riri ria magoti kwaga kuhingurwo riukite thiku nini thutha wa mucirithania munene David Maraga gukirira President Uhuru Kenyatta akiuga ati kwaga kwandikwo kwa acirithania matanyihiire 40 nikio gitumi kiria gicungireirie mashira kwiyongerera magoti-ini na njira nene.
Your Excellency, you know I have respect for you as our president and I have told you that. You also know that I have for a long time now and successfully sought an appointment to discuss this issue with you, leaving me with no option but to raise the matter through this public statement. It will be at the direction of my duty if I do not raise Wanjiku's agonies in my domain. At least let her know that I share in her frustrations. It is for this reason that I must remind you, Your Excellency, that you swore to defend and uphold the Constitution and the laws of Kenya.
Ndirajia process wiki ino kuria bunge ya gwita andu aya makoragwo judiciary ruthu ni tuko tuhetwo wira wa oversight thirikari tuke tumenye uhoro uyu umite ku ni turaigwa uhoro wa judges 41 maigo ni kwa appointwo tukaigwa Judicial Service Commission make insist no kinya judges aya ma appointwo tukashoka tukaigwa executive eke insist asha matige appointwo ni undu hena andu mena report citari njega ngeuria na niguo twakwa tukiuria andu aya megwitwo Judicial Service Commission ni mahiro report ici cikoni judges aya makimarora ndathikiriria Attorney General wa bururi ni wetwo Justice Kihara ndaigwa akiuga we ni aramenya hena report. Attorney General Kihara akoragwo panel-ini aikaraga Judicial Service Commission koguo no nginya akorwo ni aramenya na no njire kumenya angiko ni merirwo hena report citari njega cikoni andu aya judge ya 41 wathire atia gwituika ati no mara insist mahitukio mari othe
magoti mahingirwo makiria ma mieri iri mihituku thutha wa murimu wa COVID-19 gukinya guku bururi-ini na thutha ucio mashira makoretwo makihanika nja wa igoti. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritorako ni Wanjiru wa Boro.